In most cases, Roblox lags are caused by slow or unstable internet connection. However, some factors like outdated console firmware, graphics settings, and server issues can also play a part in causing the problem. In this video, we will show you the most effective ways in fixing Roblox that keeps lagging on Xbox Series X and S. First solution, restart Roblox. The first troubleshooting step you should do is to restart the game while it is running. This will remove any corrupted cache data that could be causing the freezing or crashing issue. To do that, press the Xbox button to pull the side menu, and then highlight Roblox. Press the Options button and select Quit. A few seconds after the game closes, relaunch it and try playing with it to see if it still lags or freezes. Second solution, check for a firmware update. Make sure to update your Xbox software and Roblox game to the latest version. This can help fix any bugs or issues that may be causing the lag. To check for updates, launch Settings, and select System. Select Updates and then Latest Console Updates status. You may also want to put a check on the checkboxes below that option to make sure that your console and games are automatically updated. Third solution, restart your console. Restarting your console can help fix any temporary issues that may be causing the lag. In most cases, this simple procedure is enough to fix performance issues with both the console and games. To do that, press and hold the Xbox button until the power menu shows. Select Restart Console, and then select Restart to proceed. It will take less than a minute before your Xbox becomes active again. In most cases, this will be enough to fix the connection issues. However, if the problem continues, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, check Roblox servers. Sometimes the problem can lie on the end of Roblox, meaning their servers are running into problems. You can check the status of the servers by logging on to support.xbox.com. If there are server-related issues, you should be able to find them on that page. You may also check the official Roblox support page at status.roblox.com. Outages and server maintenance are often logged in those pages, and if that's the case here, then you can expect the problem to be fixed after a few hours. However, if it's not a server issue, then try the next solution. Fourth solution, check your network connection. One possibility why Roblox lags is because of a slow or unstable internet connection that results in high latency. So check to see if it's a connection-related problem and try to fix it. To do it, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then select Profile and System, and then Settings. From there, select General and then Network Settings. On the network screen, you can see the status of your network connection at the right part of the screen, including whether you are connected to Xbox Live and the strength of your signal. But assuming you have a good and fast internet connection but the game continues to lag, move on to the next solution. Fifth solution, clear Roblox's cache. After doing the previous solutions and Roblox continues to lag, then it can be due to some corrupt game caches. So what you need to do is to clear Roblox's cache so they will be replaced with a new one. Here's how it's done. Press the Xbox button on your controller to pull up the side menu. Select My Games and Apps and then See All to view all your games. Highlight Roblox and then press the menu button on the controller. Select Manage Game and Add-ons. Now select Save Data and then select Delete All to remove the cache of the game. After deleting the saved data, launch Roblox again. The game will re-download the necessary files, and this may fix the lags. Sixth solution, reinstall Roblox. Reinstalling Roblox on your console can be an effective solution if everything else fails. It ensures that all the game files are downloaded and installed correctly, eliminating any potential issues with corrupted or incomplete files that may be causing the lags. To uninstall the game, open the My Games and Apps screen once again. Now highlight Roblox and then press the menu button on the controller. Select Uninstall and then select Uninstall All to proceed. Wait until the uninstallation is finished and then reinstall it. After that, it should run smoothly without lagging. And that's pretty much it. We sincerely hope this guide was helpful to you. If you enjoyed the content, consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel. You can also explore more informative videos by clicking on the suggested links. Have a fantastic day ahead.